This character chateau is for sale. Located in Midi Pyrénées, France. With a habitable size of 520 square meters, it offers a total land size of 13.52 hectares. This historic chateau is set within private pasture land, enjoying beautiful views across the surrounding countryside towards the Pyrenees. Dating back several centuries, the property retains its original character with generous reception rooms, high ceilings, and a wealth of period features. Now requiring renovation, the chateau presents an outstanding opportunity to create a magnificent private residence, boutique hospitality business, events venue, or countryside retreat. A range of outbuildings further enhances the estate, providing excellent potential for redevelopment and a variety of future uses. The asking price of this historic chateau is €525,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.